Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best hot comb is probably one of the most versatile styling tools you can add to your arsenal, effortlessly transforming frizzy, unruly hair into sleek, smooth strands with just a few passes, making it an indispensable gadget for anyone seeking salon-quality results at home without the hassle of traditional flat irons. And this review will guide you through its amazing features and benefits. Number 5. TYMO Ionic Hair Straightener Brush. Achieve salon-quality straight hair in minutes. This innovative tool makes styling simple and fast, even for the busiest mornings. Experience smoother, frizz-free results thanks to its advanced negative ion technology. It helps to reduce static and enhance shine. With 16 precise temperature settings, you can easily find the perfect heat for your hair type. The clear LCD display shows your chosen temperature at a glance. This styling brush is designed specifically for women seeking sleek, straight hair. It's an essential addition to your beauty routine. Its dual voltage feature makes it perfect for travel, ensuring you can maintain your style wherever you go. Enjoy beautiful hair on the go. Say goodbye to frizz and hello to smooth, polished styles. This hot comb flat iron delivers professional results with every use. What we like? This one offers advanced Ionic technology for ultimate frizz control. With 16 precise temperature settings and a clear LCD display, you get salon-quality results every time. If you have frizzy or unruly hair and desire a smooth, polished look with easy temperature management, this is your go-to. What people say? It heats up very quickly and straightens hair efficiently. The design is ergonomic and comfortable to hold, making it easy to use. It has adjustable temperature settings to suit different hair types. Number 4. Men's Beard Straightener Kit. Tired of unruly beards? Achieve a perfectly styled look with ease. This innovative tool is designed for all beard types. It's more than just a straightener. This comprehensive kit includes beard oil, balm, and a comb for a complete grooming experience. Style your beard anywhere with its dual voltage and travel-friendly design. Safety features like auto shut-off and anti-scald ensure a worry-free experience. Looking for a unique gift? Surprise the man in your life with this essential grooming kit. It's the perfect present for any occasion. Transform your beard into a smooth, manageable masterpiece. Get the polished look you've always wanted with this all-in-one solution. What we like? This kit is designed specifically for men's beards, including essential grooming products. Its dual voltage and anti-scald features make it safe and convenient for travel. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to tame and style your beard, especially while on the go, this comprehensive set is perfect. What people say? The ceramic plates heat up quickly and evenly, providing a smooth glide through my hair. I love the adjustable temperature settings, which allow me to customize the heat for my specific hair type. The anti-scald comb design protects my scalp from burns, making it safe and easy to use. Number 3. Arkam Beard Straightener for Men. Tired of unruly beards? Introducing a revolutionary way to achieve a perfectly styled beard with ease. Get ready for a smoother, more polished look in minutes. Our advanced heated brush technology gently straightens and styles your beard. It ensures even heat distribution for a professional finish without causing damage. Designed with your safety in mind, it features an anti-scald design. You can style your beard confidently, knowing it's protected from burns. This versatile tool combines combing and straightening in one. It works on short to medium beards, detangling and styling simultaneously for maximum impact. Included is a convenient travel bag, making it perfect for on-the-go grooming. Maintain your sharp look wherever you are, effortlessly. Looking for the perfect gift? This grooming kit is an ideal present for any man who values a well-groomed appearance. Surprise him with the gift of a perfectly styled beard. What we like? Featuring a unique dual-action design, it effectively straightens both hair and beard. The anti-scald feature ensures safety during use, and it comes with a convenient travel bag. If you have short to medium beards and need a safe, efficient grooming tool for daily use or travel, consider this option. What people say? The ceramic heated comb teeth are designed to reduce hair pulling and static, ensuring a smooth and shiny finish. It heats up quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, making styling efficient. The adjustable temperature settings allow for customization based on hair type and desired style. Number 2. LANDOT Ionic Hair Straightener Brush. Tired of frizzy, unmanageable hair? Discover the LANDOT Ionic Hair Straightener Brush, designed to give you smooth and shiny results with every use. With 12 adjustable heat settings ranging from 250 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, you can easily find the perfect temperature for your specific hair type. Achieve your desired look without compromising hair health. Experience the magic of Ionic technology that reduces frizz and enhances shine. This brush glides through your hair, leaving it beautifully straight and lustrous in minutes. Whether you have medium or long hair, this straightening brush is your new best friend. It's designed to effectively style all lengths, making your routine simpler and faster. Going on a trip? Its dual voltage feature makes it perfect for international travel. Enjoy perfectly styled hair wherever your adventures take you. Not only does it perform exceptionally, but it also looks stunning. The chic rose gold finish adds a touch of elegance to your beauty collection. What we like? This ceramic brush delivers smooth and shiny hair with its 12 adjustable heat settings. It's ideal for achieving sleek styles on medium to long hair. If you prioritize achieving lustrous, frizz-free hair and have longer locks, this tool will help you get that polished finish. What people say. The ceramic plates heat up quickly and evenly, reducing the risk of heat damage. It has multiple heat settings, allowing you to customize the temperature for your specific hair type. The anti-scald comb teeth protect your scalp from burns, making it safe to use. Number 1. Travel Dual Voltage 4-in-1 Hair Dryer Brush. Introducing the 4-in-1 Hair Dryer Brush, designed for effortless styling on the go. Its compact and portable design makes it perfect for any adventure. This versatile tool combines a blow dryer, straightener, curler, and volumizer into one. Achieve salon-quality results with ease, no matter where you are. With its dual voltage capability, it's ready for any international trip. Simply switch the voltage and plug it in, whether you're in the US, EU, or UK. The titanium round brush ensures even heat distribution for a smooth, frizz-free finish. It effortlessly creates volume and shine, leaving your hair looking its best. Don't let its mini size fool you. This hot air brush packs a powerful punch. It dries and styles your hair quickly, saving you precious travel time. From straightening to curling and adding volume, this tool does it all. Enjoy beautiful, styled hair throughout your travels with this all-in-one solution. What we like? This is a versatile 4-in-1 tool that dries, straightens, curls, and adds volume, all in a compact size. With universal voltage and plug adapters, it's perfect for international travel. If you need a multifunctional styling solution that saves space and works anywhere in the world, this portable dryer brush is an excellent choice. What people say. It heats up quickly and straightens hair efficiently. The comb design makes it easy to use and prevents burns. It works well on different hair types, leaving hair smooth and shiny. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.